My name is Jaylon. I'll be doing the thumbprint design. The equipment that you'll need today is cardboard square, plastic, UV paper, and leaves from outside or any nature equipment, rocks, leaves, grass, things like that. So the first step, you want to put the UV paper onto the cardboard. Then you'll want to put whatever you pick for nature onto the UV. Put it however you want. I'll be doing mine just like this. But just definitely wants to start flatter. Yeah, your next step, you want to fold. You want to get the UV. Take that. Put it just like this, so that the plastic can cover it like this. Should look like this. So next step is you want to take your artwork and place it outside. I'll show you. One of my leaves actually fell off, so we're just gonna keep it like that. We'll place it out there for a good 2 to 5 minutes, and I'll be back when that's done. Hey campers, this is part 2 of the thumbprint design. We'll be getting thumbprint design. Bringing it back. As you can see, that was what it was at first. It's not a wet spot. So we'll be taking this off, moving the planks. You'll like to have water already. You'll like to have water just in the sink, like in the tub or something. Just have it, because you'll need to put the thumbprint into the water, just like this. Just like this. Let the water brighten up. You can see, this is what it looks like afterwards. You can see the leaf prints. This is how you make a sun print design. Good job.